In this video, we're gonna transform image to talking photo or talking avatar. You may be seeing this like of trend. Stay with us and we're going to create same AI talking video like this.
Hi, after watching this tutorial you can create talking avatar with your photo like this, so watch this full video.
To create AI talking video like that, we're going to use HeyGen, also known as Movio.com. So to create, first of all, you have to click on Try HeyGen for free. And as you can see, we're on the dashboard of HeyGen as I previously created an account. So I need to sign in. So to sign in, you have to just go to the left screen and you can see you can also sign up as here just submitting your mail. So I have already account, so I will input my mail and click on sign in. And as you can see, I'm already signed in on my dashboard, and here's the dashboard like. So we're going to create talking photo like that one. So to upload your image, that need to be a face image, a portrait image. So we're going to upload a image from our local computer, and you're going to see two options, which is upload or generate. You can also generate AI face image as well. So we're going to create a video with real image, so I need to click on upload, and then we're gonna upload this image, and it will take a few seconds to upload the image on the dashboard, and then we're going to create talking photo. As you can see, they have already pre-built faces like this one, like this also has Mona Lisa as well, so you can also create cry with their faces as well. So as you can see, my photo already uploaded. So after hovering the mouse point here, you will see a plus point, and you can create a landscape video and a portrait video as well. So we're going to create a portrait video. So just click on portrait, and as you can see, we're on the dashboard where we can create where we can edit the video. So as you can see, text script, we're going to input our script, which is by default I'm gonna keep this one, and you can also paste your image like this. You can edit, type your script as well. On the right bottom of my screen, you will see this option. You can change your voice from here. As you can see, I pick a male image, so I will pick a voice. As you can see, you can also like male image. There's lots of 100+ AI voices, so we're going to keep the first one. So let's click on select, and the voice selected, and to generate the script you need to click on play option. So we're going to click on pay, and you can listen the script as well, and you can edit manual by speed and pace as well. So as you can see, our talking photo is not yet, my avatar is not talking. So to create that video, you need to go to top right of the screen and click on submit. And as you can see, here is a pop-up, and just click on submit, and here is the video. You can see it's 1% ready, so you need to wait a few seconds to complete the rendering option, and after that you will get the video like this one. And as you can see, here's the preview of our talking avatar, and on the right side of my screen you can see download option, download original video. If you're using a premium subscription of this HeyGen, so you can also export caption, prepare caption video as well. So we're going to download this original video for now, and boom, here's our sample video. As you can see, so boom, we create a video like this, and it's your time to try. So if you like this video, do follow and subscribe.